Tonight, I looked at the stars and I asked, what can I give to this world? Everything has been said, has been done, has been heard before, so what can I do that is really meaningful? I'm sorry, but I can't see through it all. There's so much irritation and distraction, frustration and limitation with time and money and all the rest. What can I do? Give me a clear answer, dear universe. And in my hour of despair, there was a subtle voice that whispered silently. And this is what it finally said to me. Whatever reveals itself to you, whatever will come forth, be silent enough to catch the impulse and then bring it down to earth. It will be just like this whispering, but it has by far more meaning than all your day-long overthinking. And the subtle voice will keep on reappearing until you act. So don't forget, don't regret, don't look back. It is that subtle impulse that will guide you further. And it's not like all the other people would act or think or behave. You need to be silent enough to listen and then brave enough to act. And you will find a hidden plan within it, step by step. The big road map will reveal itself to you over time. You just need to be silent enough to read each coming sign. And in fact, whilst doing it, you will inspire all your surrounding, because intuition is the strongest power everyone is looking for. And people do start to understand that there is an organizing intelligence that we cannot nearly comprehend, giving us birth and life and ideas and inspirations. And when we lose track, it has millions of ways to guide us back, giving us a little nudge and sometimes a punch in the face until we embrace who we truly are. And that is the biggest gift we will ever get, by far. These impulses are the gateway through the illusion of fear, and they will give you the purest evidence for why on earth you are here. And each time you will ignore these subtle messages, you will quickly discover the unpleasant consequences. But even if it might be a bit frustrating, then it's great, because you know you're not just imagining. Listening and then acting is the best you will ever achieve. But remember, these impulses work in accordance with your own beliefs. And there's also another voice interfering with each choice, saying, you can't do this. I mean, you're way too small. You don't know anything at all. I mean, it's pointless anyway, so why do you keep dreaming your life away with all your ideas and fantasies and your fairy tale blah blah? I mean, subtle voices to listen to? Are you crazy? Ha! And this self-sabotaging mechanism will operate until you catch it and look at it and choose to eliminate and radiate out your full potential and just be yourself, no matter what, for the benefit of all. And ideas and inspirations will flow naturally like a waterfall, just because you are ready to receive it all. You know, some people are always looking for something out there to create evidence and meaning for why they are here. But it will never appear in the way that they are looking for it. In fact, it is quite the opposite. First you ask, and then you have to listen. And when you're clear with yourself, you have to put it into action. And the world will never be what it was before, simply because you are here. And one day you will look back and say, I was silent enough to listen, and I was brave enough to act.